Today, let's talk about how to do the circuit inspection. Problems with the circuit can lead to serious consequences, such as high temperature, overheating, or even burn caused by short circuit. The power divider interface, ESC, and the wire terminals are the parts where circuit problems often occur. It may also cause the app to prompt low motor voltage when flying with full power. Power divider interface short circuit inspection. Remove the rear housing. Unplug the power cable and the FCU power cable. Use a multimeter to check whether the power divider interface has a short circuit. Switch the multimeter to the continuity tester or buzzer. This is the sign of the buzzer. All the multimeters have similar signs of the buzzer. The four metal chips in the middle are the battery signal lines, and the two groups of metal chips on both sides are the positive and negative interfaces for the battery. Connect the positive and negative poles of the power divider interface with test probe tips. If the multimeter keeps beeping, that means the power divider goes wrong. Please replace it in time. Power cable short circuit inspection. Check every power cable with the multimeter. Please replace it in time if the multimeter keeps beeping. A short beep means the multimeter is charging the capacitor in the drone. Damage to power lines is mainly caused by drone crashes. FCU power cable short circuit inspection. Check the power cable before starting the battery. A short circuit will cause the FCU to burn out. ESC short circuit inspection. If the motor is difficult to rotate by hand, the ESC is shorted. Generally, the short circuit is caused by two phases of the ESC three-phase wire. Use a multimeter to test any two phases. If the multimeter keeps beeping, it means the ESC is damaged and needs a replacement. Please check these four parts. Use the multimeter to retest the power divider interface after assembly. If the multimeter keeps beeping, it means that the short circuit somewhere in the drone has not been solved. Please repeat the inspections above. Make sure the terminals and the connectors are well connected. Please check the status of the power divider interface and the battery interface after drone crashing. Please replace the interface in time if it is burned. If there are only slight spark marks or corrosion, please use alcohol pads to clean and apply the conductive paste on the interface. That's the end of this tutorial. Follow us for more drone tips.